Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to play split screen with a guest account on your PlayStation 5. So let's go ahead and jump in the video. So it's very easy to play split screen with a guest account, and the beauty of this is you do not need to create a new account on your PlayStation 5. What you need to do is pick your game and start it up. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to choose Rocket League. So I'm going to choose Rocket League right here, and I'm already playing. So I'm going to turn on my second controller right now and press the PlayStation button, and it's going to bring me to this login page. Now to the left of this is Add User. So I can see my controller number. It's assigned to controller number 2. So let's press X on Add User. Then if a friend came over and they wanted to sign in quickly to their account, they can go into the play as one-time guest and sign in with their email address and password. If we want to just quickly create a guest account, go to Quick Play. So I'm press X on Quick Play, and it's going to log in as number 2. Now it says at the bottom, press options to join. So on my guest account, I'm going to press options on the controller. And there it is, another car has joined. Now if I press the PlayStation button on my guest account controller, it's going to bring open the quick menu here. If I scroll over, you'll see this is actually guest 1. So right at the top it says under profile, guest 1. So here it is. I'm not signed in to PlayStation Network at all. So I'm getting PlayStation Plus through my main account right now that allows me to play online games. So now I'm going to go to play right here at the top. And let's just do a casual game, 2 vs 2. And I'll show you that I'm able to play split screen even though my guest account doesn't have PlayStation Plus or anything like that. So this will only take like 5 to 10 seconds. All you have to do pretty much is turn on your controller and sign in and like press options or X or something from there on out. So I'm going to be starting up the game here, and it's already in the split screen format in Fortnite. Now if I press the scoreboard right here, you can see guest 1's at the top and my main account is at the bottom. So I'm literally signed in as guest 1. So this is very easy to do, guys. If this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.